Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a recap of the trading room for Thursday the 17th of February, and today went just as predicted. Very nice day. The market opened gap down and bought up, moved sideways for a little bit before popping higher. We took a long down here at 31.5, which you could have held. You could actually still be long and still be making money. We only count the room, what happens in the room. So 31.5 all the way up to, you could have exited at 37, which gave you a maximum profit potential of 5.5 points or 22 ticks. I took 3.5 points out of the market. That's not a bad day. 5.5 points is not a bad day. 3.5 points, still good. 3 points, you're talking $150. 3.5, you're talking $175. So, definitely not bad. 5.5 points, you're talking $275. So that's definitely a good amount of money. Talking 2.5 hours, you made 175, or I made $175 in 2.5 hours worth of work. So that's definitely not bad. The maximum profit potential you were able to make was $275 for 2.5 hours worth of work with only one trade, which equated to 22 ticks. That's not a bad day at all. If you can do that every day, you're doing pretty good. You make 2 points a day, you're looking at around 24,000 for the year. So that's definitely not a bad thing at all. 24,000, that's not a lot of money, but it's not chump change either. I mean, it's better than a minimum wage job. You're probably looking around $9-10 an hour, something like that. 12, I don't know, $10-12 something. Haven't done the math. Anyway, the website is www.businesswithtrading.com. If you want to stop by, check us out, see if it's for you. We talk the market every day. We try to only take a couple trades, usually 1 to 4 trades a day. For the most part, 1 to 2, sometimes 3. We don't see 4 trades that often. Just because we're trading for 2.5 hours, we're not going to get a ton of trades in. I don't try to trade ranges like this little thing here. I was not trying to trade that. I was long from down here, took a little bit of profit and held the rest. I'm not gonna, I know some people like when the market gets in ranges and they try to trade the ranges. That's not something I do. That's not fun for me. It's just not something I do. I try to trade, get 1 to 2 nice trades in. I take my profit and I go home. I don't see it as a fight, like I'm fighting against the market and then it turns into a hope fest. Oh, I hope the market goes this way. I hope the market goes that way. It's a couple trades and I'm out, and I go home with money. That's what I like to do, and that's what makes it so much fun. I get to talk to people in the room. They get to talk back to me. They get to talk to each other. It makes it fun because you're talking to people who are good traders. I've been trading for a while. People in the room, good traders. Some of them are learning. Some of them have been traders. And everybody has a different style. Just because everybody has a different perspective and everybody comes from a different background. Unless you're like identical twins and had the exact same experiences, everyone's going to be different, and everyone's going to have a different trading style. Now, some people's styles may be very similar, but they're going to be different just because you're different people. You have different experiences, different emotions, different thoughts, different thought patterns. So everything's going to be different. But, for the most part, we're all the same, and we all like making money, and that's why we come to the market every day to make money. Not to hope to make money, but to make money. That's our job. That's what we do every day, Monday through Friday. We come, we make money, and the great thing is we have flexibility. We can, take the day off if we want, or take a week off or a month off. It doesn't matter. We don't have to ask anyone's permission. Oh, Mr. Bossman, can I take off? You don't really have to do that. So, it definitely gives a lot of flexibility, makes it a lot of fun, and just communicating with other traders definitely makes it fun. Makes it fun for me, talking about the markets and watching people be successful while they trade. That's definitely a lot of fun. I don't want to watch people lose a lot of money. Because that's not what I do. And there's so many people trying to trade. You don't have to take the person beside you's money, and most likely you're not taking their money anyway. When you make money, most likely it's someone else. I don't know. Then I'm in South Carolina in the States. Maybe it's someone in Japan, or someone in Washington State, or it's so many people trading the markets. You don't know whose money you're taking. So I don't really look at it like that. I had a question about that the other day. But anyway, I definitely got off on a little tangent there. But the website again is www.abusinesswithtrading.com. Stop by, check us out. You can leave me a comment below the video. To upper right of the website, it has a contact form as well. You can send me messages, comments, feedback, whatever. If you do enjoy these videos that I'm putting out, please click the Twitter, Facebook like buttons. Definitely appreciate that. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you Friday morning in the markets.